Are you looking for the best mechanical keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best mechanical keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Akko 5075B Plus V2 Keyboard. Akko V3 Pro Green Yellow, Blue Switch. Perfect for both gamer and typers to prefer a distinct tactile bump or feedback. Akko V3 Pro Silver Switch, short pre-travel of 1mm, ideal for gaming. RGB backlight programmable, per key RGB, and supports Music Visualizer. Music Visualizer can only be programmed by PC controller. The extra side RGB light strip brings a low-key and luxurious all-around cool feeling to the keyboard. Support USB, wired, 2.4G, RF, and Bluetooth 5.0 at the same time. Support Bluetooth 5.1, 5.0, 4.0, 3.0. A convenient and versatile option for users who use multiple devices and want a keyboard that can easily switch between different modes. Gasket structure combined, a PC plate. The keyboard also has a 3-layer noise reduction cotton to reduce hollow noise and enhance the unique soft and comfortable rebound of the gasket structure. Number 2. YUNZII IAL71 Gaming Keyboard. The YUNZII IAL71 is a custom mechanical keyboard to push your typing experience to the top. With an aluminium CNC machined body and gasket structure, the IAL71 is designed for premium typing comfort and top quality. The CNC aluminium keyboard takes anodic oxidation that can not only guarantee the colors are long-lasting, but also makes the gaming keyboard durable, corrosion-resistant, and oxidation-resistant, providing a better typing experience. This hot-swappable keyboard with a built-in 4600 mAh battery. This wireless mechanical keyboard supports BT, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired connection. Fussy connection steps. Just toggle the side button to change the connection modes. Quickly switch between wireless connections on your PC, Mac, and more at the press of Fn+Q/W/E. The YUNZII IAL71 portable keyboard frees up your desk during work, gaming, or carrying out. 2.4G wireless dongle and wired Type-C cable are included. Elevate typing experience with IAL71, which utilizes a high-quality gasket material to absorb vibrations and eliminate any noise. The gaming keyboard supports 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches. Equipped with pour-on sandwich foam, pour-on socket foam, PET sound pads, and PBT keycaps, the solid 68% keyboard provides an exceptionally pleasant typing feeling, ideal for professionals who demand custom keyboard fun, superb quality, and top comfort. Number 3. SKYLOONG GK87 Pro Keyboard. The SKYLOONG GK87 Pro Keyboard adopts an innovative separated spacebar with tap-hold option, which can be arbitrarily set to the most commonly used keys or key combination functions to better utilize the lightly used thumb frequency, and has 3 fully functional programmable rotary buttons, making it more convenient and efficient for you to use. The keyboard supports the installation of up to 6 knobs. The GK87 Pro keyboard adds a 1.7-inch hot-swappable LCD screen, independently driven, with a resolution of 160 by 120. The screen is powered by the keyboard and can display battery, connection status and keyboard mode. It is more suitable for esports games and office work. You can even insert your favorite photos or animations and display them on the screen. 10mm Fn+tilde can quickly switch screens, which is very practical and fun. The screen supports hot swapping. If you don't want to use it, you can use switches and keycaps instead. GK87 Pro wireless keyboard has built-in Nordic 3 high-performance wireless module and lithium battery 7200 mAh, no delay wireless, Bluetooth 5.1 and wired USB Type-C, making it capable of running on PCs, laptops, tablets. Seamlessly switch between computers and phones for easy multitasking. This is an excellent 2.4 grams wireless low latency keyboard for gamers. and the Bluetooth mode is best for home, office and Mac users. High-quality multi-layer built-in foam rubber, the top cushion is made of durable elastic material, tightly fits each key, forming a barrier between the keys and the base of the keyboard, reducing typing noise and vibration, able to withstand intense typing and gaming, providing a comfortable typing experience. Number 4. YUNZII IAL66 Keyboard. The YUNZII IAL66 is a custom wireless mechanical keyboard that has 66 keys and one knob. With an aluminium CNC machined body and gasket mount structure, the IAL66 gaming keyboard is designed for premium typing comfort and top quality. The CNC aluminium keyboard takes anodic oxidation that can make the keyboard durable and corrosion resistant, providing better typing. YUNZII IAL66 Custom Triple Modes Mechanical Keyboard is compact 65% layout with 66 keys and one metal function knob. The knob can adjust the RGB modes, brightness, and volume. This compact wireless gaming keyboard frees up desk space for the mouse and still includes function keys, arrows, and numbers that you need for typing. The Bluetooth keyboard is compatible with Mac and Windows, supports Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and wired connection. It can connect to up to 4 devices at the same time and switch between them easily. The NKRO game keyboard can work with tablets, laptops, PC, and smartphone devices. It lasts up to 90 hours of typing with a 4600 mAh large battery capacity. Number 5. YUNZII YZ75 Pro Keyboard. The YZ75 is 75% layout 82 key mechanical gaming keyboard. Come with an acrylic metal badge. The keyboard offers both functional and aesthetic. The keyboard takes Skater and G Pro switch and pre-lubed stabilizers. Built-in double layers sound-absorbing foams give the keyboard premium typing experience. The YUNZII YZ75 is a 75% mechanical keyboard that is fully customizable, geared for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. Equipped with a 5000 mAh capacity battery, YUNZII YZ75 keyboard support Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless and wired connection. Compatible with laptop, iPad, iOS, Windows, Mac or Android. No fussy connection process. The wireless connection is quick and stable. FN Plus Space can check the battery capacity anytime. 2.4G wireless dongle and wired cable are included to maintain premium RGB backlights on your desk space. YUNZII YZ75 keyboard has multiple default RGBs on the front and 360 degrees side. Users can easily change the RGBs by shortcut keys and custom software. The RGB keyboard takes outfacing LEDs, which better illuminate the keyboard when you're using it in the dark. The Gift Acrylic Universe metal badge brings more fun and aesthetics on YZ75.